All right, today we are tackling a problem that I think we all know way too well, the morning breakfast scramble. We're going to show you how to whip up a delicious, high-protein breakfast that takes, and I'm not kidding, just 2 minutes to prep.
Does this whole scene sound a little too familiar? You wake up, your brain's already firing on all cylinders, and then that dreaded question hits. What's for breakfast? You know, trying to find something that's actually good for you when you're rushing out the door can feel pretty much impossible. And this leads us to that classic morning dilemma. On one hand, you've got the quick, grab-and-go option, which is often, not the healthiest. On the other hand, there's the nutritious breakfast that takes time you just don't have. It really feels like you have to choose between convenience and your health.
But what if you didn't have to choose? What if you could get the best of both worlds? Well, today, we're diving into a prep-ahead strategy that is a total game-changer for your morning routine.
And here it is, the hero of our story, high-protein overnight oats. And trust me, this is so much more than just a recipe. It's a whole system for a guaranteed healthy, delicious, and incredibly fast breakfast every single morning.
Now, for anyone who's new to this whole idea, it's honestly so simple, it's brilliant. You're basically letting time and the refrigerator do all the cooking for you. The oats just soak up all that liquid overnight, and they get all soft and creamy and ready to eat by morning. No stove, no mess.
So, how does it all work? Let's get right into the blueprint. This is the core recipe that you can then take and totally make your own.
Okay, let's look at the key players here. We start with rolled oats for that good fiber, then chia seeds, which give it an awesome texture and some healthy fats. Greek yogurt is our protein powerhouse. A little bit of maple syrup or honey adds that touch of sweetness, and it's all brought together with whatever milk you like.
And the process? Well, this is the best part. It almost feels like cheating. It's so easy. You literally just put everything into a jar, give it a good stir, and stick it in the fridge. That's it. Your breakfast for tomorrow is done in less time than it takes to brew a cup of coffee. But okay, here's where the real fun starts. The base recipe is fantastic for sure, but it's also a completely blank canvas for you to get creative. So let's look at a few quick ways you can customize it depending on what you're in the mood for.
If you want a rich, kind of decadent flavor, just add a spoonful of cacao powder. It totally transforms your breakfast into a healthy, chocolatey treat.
Or hey, maybe you're craving something a little more fresh and fruity. All you have to do is mash in some strawberries. It adds this amazing natural sweetness and a really bright flavor that's just perfect for starting your day. And for a classic, cozy, comfort food vibe, you just can't go wrong with mashed bananas and a little dash of cinnamon. It's kind of like having healthy banana bread in a jar. These simple little tweaks just go to show how versatile this breakfast can be. So let's just put it all together. This super simple meal prep idea, it solves that whole morning dilemma we started with. No more trade-offs, no more last-minute stress.
Now here is a fantastic little hack to make this breakfast even more of a powerhouse. Add another dollop of Greek yogurt right on top just before you eat it. It not only adds this great creaminess, but it gives you an extra boost of protein to keep you full and focused all morning long.
So just look at what your new morning routine becomes. A breakfast that's high in protein, prepped in just a couple of minutes, literally waiting for you when you wake up. And it's so easy to customize that you'll never get bored. You see, this is so much more than just a recipe. It's a real strategy for winning your mornings back. So the only question left is the one you see right now. Will it be the chocolate, the strawberry, or that banana cinnamon? What flavor are you going to try first?